Dera Chief Ram Rahim is on parole again. Remember that the case that has been against him of rape, of murder, conviction has happened in this case. However, he's come out of jail. His close aide, Honeypreet, receiving Ram Rahim when he was walking out of the prison. This is a bail, remember. But for this convicted self-styled godman who does deliver sermon to his followers every time he's out on the bail as well. A very sensitive issue to his followers. However, remember that usually during election seasons or some occasion he manages to get a bail. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me for the latest on that. Kamaljeet, I don't know how many hundreds of times that he's been able to get a bail now. What is the reason this time? And what could be the restrictions on him? Is there a reason he's out on bail? Is he allowed to speak, give interviews, go around? What's happening?
Pooja, first I must correct you because this is a parole. Okay. Remember, he's been convicted,
yes.
And since 2017, and if I can say correctly, since August 2017, he's been out at least a dozen times, and each time it's lasting around. It was October to 2024. It was during Haryana polls. This time, when Delhi elections are barely a week away, this is when he's got managed another parole. Now, there have been a lot of eyebrows which have been raised. There was a case by the SGPC. He was taken to Punjab and Haryana High Court. The case was fought on the basis of merit. And thereafter, the court actually decided that it was up to Haryana government and the authorities, the jail authorities, to decide the parole. Obviously, he is barred from making any sort of political statement. He stays far away from Delhi. He's, this time around, we've been told, going to be in Sirsa. So that is where his own dera has been. But many obviously say that informally, even though there are restrictions by jail authorities, by word of mouth and by feelers, a lot of dera followers, the indication given to a particular party. So this has been something which have been a key cause of concern. But because Punjab and Haryana High Court struck down that particular petition, and said it is up to Haryana government and the jail authorities to really decide, because they are the nodal agency.
Kamaljeet, a quick question here. The viewer watching right now, and the fact is that this is possibly the 16th parole in barely 4 years. We are told that he's got. Every time it's 20 to 30 days. But because he would be restricted to Haryana, how can that have an impact on possibly Delhi elections, Kamaljeet?
Because lakhs of dera followers are not just from Haryana or Punjab, they're also from Delhi. The sort of influence that really has, and that is why we've seen, as far as these deras are concerned, not just this particular Gurmeet Ram Rahim's dera, Sacha Sauda, but also deras, they managed to have a lot of influence. And that is why what we see is a lot of BJP or other workers, they usually tend to make a beeline. But this is where the cause of concern really is. It's a free and fair election. And once a person like this, who has a considerable sort of influence, especially amongst his own sect, that is where, but you wouldn't see a lot of criticism coming in from political parties because they don't want to draw the ire of the followers themselves. So we've seen that happen in Haryana, we've seen it happen elsewhere.
And also, Kamaljeet, leaders reach out to all sorts of gurus. They visit temples, gurdwaras, church, wherever they can, or the dargahs, to reach out to their specific vote base. That's sadly how it does work in the country. Kamaljeet, thank you very much for now. More than 15 paroles in such serious cases in 4 years. Again, close to certain elections for Dera Sacha Sauda Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim.